हेलो, आज हम आपको मैथ्स की बुक दिखाएंगे। फर्स्ट क्लास की बुक।
Hello everyone, today we are telling about Composite Mathematics Class 1 book by R.S. Agarwal and Vikas Agarwal. This is the first book in the series of books by R.S. Agarwal. We all know that for older students we use the books of R.S. Agarwal, but for kids also, small kids of first class also, this book is very useful. See?
Easy.
It is very easy. The contents is also very good. The concepts they are teaching are learning basics, number from 1 to 10, addition, subtraction, concept of zero, numbers from 11 to 20, numbers from 21 to 50, numbers from 51 to 100, then numericals on abacus, comparison of numbers, ordering of numbers, addition of two-digit numbers, subtraction of two-digit numbers, skip counting, multiplication, ordinal numbers, and the concept of time, day and night, parts of the day, measuring time, daily routine. And that is not all. They also tell about calendar, money, measurements, shapes, special relationships, patterns, and data handling.
This
First,
is counting.
These are simple countings 1 to 9. It's quite easy for everyone to do. And this usually all the books contain these types of problems. This is comparison of numbers. It is also very common, found in all the books. Then this is addition by drawing lines. Addition problems are there.
Cut.
It's a colorful book and nearly each page is interesting, new for the kids. The concept of zero is explained beautifully in this book through activity of birds and everything, balls in the apples in the ball and everything. Then study the following, fill in the placeholders, subtraction property of zero, numbers from 11 to 20, and all the pages contain exercises, so the children can easily complete these exercises. And whole page, all the pages are so colorful. These are the number and the number names. Write the numbers 18, 25, 34.
Easy.
And write the number names.
Easy.
Here the concepts of numbers from 51 to 100 are given.
This is math.
Small exercise, joining the dots, counting by grouping.
Tens, ones.
Now then comes the numbers in expanded form. 68 is equal to 6 tens plus 8 ones, and the rest students have all to do themselves like this. And they have given number of questions, so the child will take a lot of time to complete these exercises. And each number, the printing is very good, paper is good. Here number grid is given, comparison of numbers, rules for comparison, that is very interesting, usually not found in the books, other books. How to arrange the numbers in ascending orders. Now addition is given.
Tens and ones.
This is stepwise addition of two-digit numbers with carrying. They are beautifully explaining the concept also. See, like this, where we can copy what we have to do. And here in exercise also, the children, they've made separate circles where the children can write down the carried forward number, and it is easier for them to understand. Subtraction by short method, subtraction of two digit, then multiplication is also explained. First activity explains multiplication and in a beautiful way. Through parking they have explained multiplication, their numbers are given. Then comes the tables. Table of multiplication, table of 2 is given. along with the figures and everything. Table of 3.
This is so easy. So easy book.
Ordinal numbers are given.
This is so easy book.
Interesting also. Then comes the concept of time, day and night, parts of the day.
Morning, night, afternoon, evening.
Measuring time, it is very essential for the kids to understand. Daily routine. Now comes the concept of money, very important for children. Price is given, measurements, bigger, smaller, heaviest, lightest, heavier, lighter. Quantity, it explains the quantity beautifully of more and less. Exercises are given, and every page is so interesting, colorful. My kid is really enjoying this.
And so easy.
Data handling. That is the end of the book. The price of this book is rupees 365. You can get some discount also, and the publisher is S. Chand School Books. And it is for class 1. It is easily available on Flipkart, Amazon, and on the local book stores.